Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to talk about cooking, and that's very interesting topic. I think everyone loves to eat, everyone loves to try different food, and most of the people like to eat different kind of food, and most of the people like to cook. So if I talk about myself, I love to eat different. I want to try different kind of food, and also love cooking. I have tried so many dishes. I have cooked so many dishes, but I really want to try something new. Like I have cooked fritters, bread fritters, onion fritters, and even I cooked dumplings, but I really want to try something new to cook. Like I want to make dosa, because South Indian dishes are different. It is full of nutrition, right? So I want to try South Indian dish. Have you ever tried dosa? I ate a dosa once, but I want to cook at my home. So I ha- I have an interest to try new things. Like in cooking, don't like make same dish every time. I like to try new things. Like uh, I want to try South Indian dish, and I want to try a bamboo biryani. Have you ever heard about it? That um, I uh, watch. I saw a lot of video on YouTube channels. Uh, I watched how they cooked the biryani in bamboo, and how they serve. It looks very good. So I just wanted to cook. I just want to improve my cooking skill. I want to learn new dishes. Like I want to make dosa. I want to cook the idli, and there are so many things. And I really want to try uh, different culture. I want to try to cook like different countries' food, like. Uh, like Korean food. I want to try I want to try to cook sushi, and there are so many options. There are so many dishes that I really want to try to cook. I haven't tried yet, but I really want to learn. I really want to cook different dishes I love. Every day I cook simple food. Like in India, everyone knows that we have a routine to make every day chapati, rice, dal, veggies. But I really want to earn parathas. So I really want to try new, because when you try something new, when you try to cook something new, it's you learn something. It become interesting, right? And try new things make me more happier. That's why I really want to try new dishes. And do you also like cooking? I want to ask you, uh, guys, do you really like cooking, or do you like to eat? I love both. I love eating. I love cooking, and I really wants to try. I really wants to cook uh, palak paneer. I don't know what is called in English, but I really wants to try it. I really want to cook it. I have never tried uh, this dish, so I really wants to cook that. And there are so many dishes that I really wants to cook. And tell me, uh, what food do you like to do you like the most, and what dishes do you like the most? Tell me in the comment. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video.